Assalamualaikum and salam berwarna. My name is Nur Adiana Shafira. My metric numbers is 281823. Today, I will brief a little bit about management. So, let's start it. What is management? Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the work of organization members of using all available organizational resources effectively and efficiently to achieve stated organizational goals. Management also can be defined as an inseparable and isolated part of living, and it's essential whenever human efforts are to be undertaken to achieve their objective. In other words, it is concerned with optimally using 5 Ms, which is man, machine, material, money, and methods. This is often attainable only the correct direction, coordination, and integration of the process and activities. To attain the specific results, management even have innumerable functions like planning, organizing, staffing, direction, and what is 5M management? 5M management is man, machine, material, money, and method. 5M management is very important to optimum utilization of resource and reduce cost. If we follow the rule of 5M management, our company can be achieve the goal as soon as possible. First, man. Manpower refers to the human resource that can help implement a strategy or an existing one relate to our company. We use manpower to conduct our company to do everything about promotion and sales. For example, through the website, advertisement, billboard, and brochure. Second, machine. Machinery is the physical asset which could be we do for marketing strategy or as a part of our business. Our main equipment for our product needed to keep our item frozen is freezer. We buy the new ones to ensure the freezer in the good condition and can keep the items in the longer time. Third, material. Material is an element which will support the current and future sales of the company product. When we talk about material, it is all about the quality of our product. We will make sure that our product only use the high quality and durable material to provide for customer satisfaction. Everything that we plan and need money to achieve business objective, mission, and vision in business. Money is the important things to start a business and then get huge profit every year. Lastly, method. Method is the design of process for optimization and manufacture or deliver the service. In our company, supported the management, the manager, director, or the supervisor will conduct everything process and procedures such as in price, promotion, and packaging, and so on. They will make sure everything going well like we planned. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, hi, and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hasib bin Baharudin, and I would like to talk about what is organization. Organization refers to a group of people involved in ensuring that an objective can be achieved. Organization can also be understood as a single social system that includes human social relationship in a formal form. An organization can also be referred to as the second important management function in making the coordination of employees in the company. Obtaining important resources of the company to achieve the objective and goals of the company. In the organization, there is a leader. A leader in the company must have a clear goals and must implement several process and willing to monitor for adjust based on critical feedback. A leader also must boost up the morale of the employee, for the employee will not have a mental breakdown. Furthermore, a leader should not hurt any employee, and a true leader should not be too bossy and should not consider him as the supreme authority, and a leader should realize that he is part of organization as a whole. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Peace be upon to you. I hope you all in a fine condition. So today, me, Muhammad Faiz bin Anwar, matric numbers 281962 will present to you about our company organization. First of all, our company is Delish Frozen Foods. This was set up on 21st May 2021 by 8 friends at Surya KLCC. This is because our aims to provide frozen foods to all people, too easy to cook, too easy to bake, and also can be as a convenient food to all people that busy on work or don't know how to cook something or bake something. Our company also provide traditional cakes like curry puff, samosa, donuts, and also a chicken, meats, nuggets, and french fries. In addition, our company also offer a suitable price to all the people. Okay. In addition also, our company marketing promote in the local and world market such as Maiden, Tesco, and Family Store. We also get a certificate halal from authorities, and also our product was marketing to the foreign countries such as Australia and Saudi Arabia. So the next members boards of our organizations. So first of all, for the CEO is me, Muhammad Faiz bin Anwar. And next, Muhammad Zul bin Jalan Musa is a Vice President Finance, Nora Diana Shafira, Vice President HR, Nur Haslina Arifin as a Regional Managers, Khairul Jannah binti Khalid such as a Merchandising Managers, Asif bin Baharudin such as a Public Relations, Maureen Masenov such as Vice President Distribution, and the last one is the Nurul Ulfa binti Izzat such as the Vice President of Management Service. All this stuff will get to the all customer to get a management service and customer service at a good stage. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zuljalal bin Musa. Matric number 281944. Today, I want to discuss about the mission, vision, and objective of Delish Frozen Food Company. Missions of Delish Frozen Food: provide fast, flexible, and quality service, targeted to achieve 100% customer service. Visions of Delish Frozen Food: leading, dynamic, and competitive, strong and solid team alliance, the best in Malaysia when it comes to halal frozen food. Objective of Delish Frozen Food: create business opportunity in the frozen industry, develop a freezer network business concept that has world-class level, develop frozen process and technologies for local and international retail market, provide training service with administrative and technical concepts in the food industry and food technology, handling all matters in accordance with company procedure through work ethics and cultivating good value between suppliers and customers.
So, planning is a preparation step where we set the objectives and plan the progress of the mission to achieve these objectives. The main task is to guide the team to achieve the final objectives and challenges of their department. The planners must be aware of the critical contingencies facing their organization in terms of economic conditions, their competitors and their customers. Moreover, they must formulate steps and ensure effective implementation of plans. Finally, planners must constantly evaluate the success of their plans and take corrective action when it's necessary. To resume, the manager will set up a strategy, define current objectives and a goal to achieve. Afterward, they will check the results obtained in line with the objective set. So, how to achieve our goals? So, our company is located in the suburbs of Kuala Lumpur, and we want to distribute in most of the supermarket of Kuala Lumpur at the beginning, like a Giant Hypermarket or Tesco Superstore. We have chosen to start the distributing in products in the capital. According to our sales and market shares, we will have gained, we will increase our turnover by extending our target to the biggest city in Malaysia. What we do is to propose to the consumers a large variety of frozen dishes. It can be frozen food or completely cooked dishes. The goal is to satisfy our target of consumers. The goal is to acquire 20% of market share in the first year and each year increased. We have decided to partner with a supermarket known to consumers. We also want to offer consumers quality dishes at affordable prices. If we achieve our goal, we will partner with other supermarkets. Moreover, one of our main objectives is to continue to expand our product range and offer our customers more dishes. One of the most important ways for our company to become known to consumers is through the communication of our offers. The communication on a social network like Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, as well as one website of a supermarket and one billboard located in town. We will also put in place offers on our products. The second way is to make our products stand out more than others in the shelves of a supermarket. So we will bet on the design and packaging of products. We ensure the quality of each of the products used. Indeed, we are controlled and respect our sanitary charter. We select our collaborators and our suppliers according to their accreditation, as well as the origin of the products and how the animals and fishes are treated. It is very important for us because we wish to be transparent with our consumers and to ensure them the best quality. Our equipment are also chosen with care and respect all the required standards. Now we are going to see our business strategy to achieve our objectives. So our objectives are, as I mentioned before, to propose a wide range of frozen meals accessible to all, and therefore the quality and transparency of the products will be our most important asset. Strategically, the goal is to satisfy the greatest number of consumers, to make them regular consumers, and to be able to increase our market share and extend our activity. The strategic plan is to play on the quality of the product, the marketing strategy, that is to say the packaging, the study of consumers, competitor in the market, and being at the forefront of innovation and make offers. And the communication of our offers. In fact, having a real community on social network, constantly sharing our news and our offer, and be visible on the street.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Faizati Binti Azad. My matrix number 2X1861. So now I would like to explain about organizing. What is organizing? Organizing is a several division of tasks such as a formation of tasks to departments, representation or policy resources throughout the organization. And also, as employees, they are supposed to be motivated by receiving the task to give in a written quality work according to the instruction given. Organizing requires several processes for the planned result. In our marketing, we have our target before taking an action. Our target is to sell this frozen food to the singles, housewives, and also families. The action to be taken is to market it in a big supermarket like Tesco and Giant. To achieve this target, we need to define and distribute the tasks and then coordinate the action in order to achieve the objective. Last but not least, to achieve a perfect organizing, cooperation from all parties is needed because it will be easier to do when moving in a group. Moving alone or solo will limit idea because moving in a slow state and its fear will be slow to reach the target. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Haslina binti Arifin, number matric 281954. Today I will explain about leading and controlling in management. So, 5.3 Leading. Leading can be classified as action that include number 1, good attitude, and number 2, used to inspire action taken by others. And also, manager also have to understand personalities, values, attitudes, and emotions. So, moving on to types of power in terms of leading. Types of power in terms of leading has 3 types, which is charisma power, coercive power, and expressive power. So, we will take a look one by one. Number 1 is charisma power. Charisma power can be described as more to an ability to motivate others through the personal characteristic of the manager. For the example, manager Delish Frozen Food, which is our company, will be hanging together at a cafe to slow talk with employees that have a problem. So, this charisma is the powerful things that can motivate others to be a better person in the future. And type of power number 2 is coercive power. Coercive power can be described as the threat to punishment for influence others. And employees had to obey the instruction from manager because of this power. An example of coercive power is the employees need to work overtime or their wage will be reduced by their manager. And as we can see, this is not true leadership but manipulation to other employees. And type of power number 3 is expressive power. Expressive power is an ability to do something with their own knowledge, such as talent and skill which is already in them. And for example, Delish Frozen Food manager have the ability to speak in foreign languages. As for their preparation, if he or she wants to meet the clients, so the conversation will always smooth. Next is 5.4 Controlling. Controlling is a process of comparing the actual performance with standards that the company already set early. This is to make sure all the activities have followed the standards. Controlling is performed by 3 different types of organization, which is upper, middle, and bottom. And also, controlling has 4 steps that has different meaning. Step number 1 is establish of standards. Step number 2, measurement of actual performance. Step number 3, comparison of actual performance with the standards. And lastly, step number 4, corrective action if necessary. We will going on to step number 1, which is establish of standards. Established standard is to set up some target to achieve the goal that the organization has done. And Delish Frozen Foods' goal is we want to be the best company that produce frozen food that contains safe ingredients, clean production, and easygoing food for all the customers. And step number 2, measurement of actual performance. The manager will monitoring and checking all employees' work to make sure they do the actual plans. Then, like Delish Frozen Food, the manager will monitor the workplace, employee behavior, also work efficiency. For what? This is used to avoid any problems related to production and to keep all products safe and clean before they reach the market. Then step number 3 is comparison of actual performance with the standards. This step is about making a difference between actual performance and the standards. For example, Delish Frozen Food will make a comparison with the quality of the product, the total of selling products, and employee efficiency in the organization. The last step is corrective action if necessary. Delish Frozen Food manager will take an initiative to correct any problems that affected the actual performance that they already done. Next, the correction will be collected from the report that shown the progress from actual performance. And manager will need to check and realize, because when they overlook even small things, the whole production will be ruined and out of control. I will also explain about 3 types of control. They has feedback control, feed-forward control, and number 3 is concurrent control. Last but not least, type of control number 3 is predictive or feed-forward control. What is it? This type of control is to help to foresee the problems ahead before the real problem come. For the example, when the company lacked raw materials to produce goods, so manager will inform the supplier to send the materials according to the time that already set. And that's all for me. I will pass to the other presenter. Thank you for listening. Type of control number 1 is feedback control. What is feedback control? Feedback control is about collecting information from the finished task. This is because to improving the same task and use it for the future. Type of control number 2 is concurrent control. It is also called real-time control, also known as ongoing control, and make sure the quality is all consistent.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Karujana binti Khalid, metric number 281700. So today I want to discuss about the conclusion of the report. So for the conclusion, the first point is effective mission, vision and objective of the business. So for this point, we believe the effective mission, vision and the objective play an important role if we want to start a business and make the business be more successful and wonderful in the future. For the second point is set up the strategies to achieve the target and be success. For this point, we already know that if we want to start a business, we must have our own strategies, such as establish an organization team. For example, we must have manager, supervisor, promoters and so on. So from that, people will know about our product and make their product as their first choice. Last but not least, the last point is know the meaning and management function, PLOC. PLOC bring a meaning of planning, learning, organizing, and controlling. If we do not use the PLOC in company, I am very sure the company will having a problem to achieve their goals in business. So that's all from me. Thank you.